From South Dakota, Fatima Alemam.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Fatima Alemam and I graduated from Zaytuna College in 2023 with a Bachelor's of Arts degree in the Liberal Arts and Islamic Studies with a minor in Arabic. Alhamdulillah, I am pleased to announce that I will be starting my first year of medical school as a part of the class of 2029 bi'idhnillahi ta'ala. Now, I knew for as long as I can remember that I wanted to be a doctor, and when I started studying at Zaytuna under teachers that truly illuminated the path of knowledge by teaching us grounded subjects like usul al-fiqh, philosophy, metaphysics, and ethics, my worldview fundamentally changed. I realized that I once viewed modern medicine and modern science to be largely unbiased and neutral fields. However, they were anything but that. And it's important for me that I remain wholeheartedly grounded in the Islamic tradition as I pursue this path of medicine. And Zaytuna has really taught me how to identify various metaphysical underpinnings of modern philosophies and to tactfully navigate those differences. Alhamdulillah. During my time at Zaytuna, I was pushed to pursue an undergraduate thesis, and there I actually uncovered various metaphysical underpinnings of a modern psychiatric work. And there I was introduced to autoimmune illnesses, which famously have external manifesting symptoms. However, this work emphasized that there may be additional underlying causes that can be emotional or spiritual in nature. And this really propels me to be a holistic provider in the future by being able to dig deeper to find the root causes of illnesses that may not be apparent to the eye by joining the spiritual, psychological, and physical dimensions of a whole holistic human being. I ask for your prayers and du'as during this time and for your support for Zaytuna College so that they can continue producing grounded leaders in their respective fields. Jazakumullahu khairan, and I pray you have a great rest of your day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.